Hey, there you are. I was just thinking about you. Well, I wanted to give you a quick update on my free range parrot and give you a little tour of my kitchen. So hang on to your hats. What do you got to say, Peaches? You got something you want to say? I'm not done with my free range parrot. Get some good light here. This is what he looks like so far. I need to carve a crest, or my cockatoo crest or whatever, and the jet packs. And the other thing, I'm going to sand it because this wood is really got a nice grain to it. Oh, guess what? It's time to love Peaches. Good thing I set the timer, huh? Right? Yeah, it is. Look at that. It's time to love Peaches. Actually, my rolls are done. No, not quite. Give it another 5 minutes, I think. It's looking good, though. Can you see that? Woohoo! Set the timer. Another 4 minutes. Getting ready to go over to my mom's house, so I baked up a couple pumpkin pies from scratch. I cooked my own pumpkin and food processed it. Ran it through the food processor. What are you doing up there, Peaches? You're not supposed to be up there. And I also made some fudge. Oh, I'll tell you what, that fudge making is an art. And I'm always nervous about making it, but I think it came out pretty good. So there's that. Pretty excited about that fudge. I put my leftover pie dough out on the porch railing, but the birds already came and got it. Oh, guess what? Guess what? It's time to love Peaches again. Can you believe that? It is. Yeah, it's time to love Peaches again. Alright, let's check these rolls. You going somewhere? Oh, look at that. Well, the sun is shining right in the window right now. There we go. There's a nice light. That looks pretty good, I'd say. Boy, I'd like to tear into one right now. Well, friends, I'll take this time to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I sure appreciate you stopping by and watching my silly videos. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Take care, and we'll see you down the trail.